Hello, I'm Stacey and I'm the founder of Hubbub on Stanwell Road in Mhenarth. Hubbub is a social firm set up to support young people with additional learning needs. We're a retail training environment to help give the skills in order to get our young people ready for employment. We are an extension of Ysgol Y Deri special school based in Mhenarth, and the ethos is that our young people come down and volunteer their time within the school day in order to gain those employability skills, getting them ready for the next step. Actually, only 4% of adults with additional learning needs in the UK go into paid employment, so we're doing what we can to combat that. How can you help us? You can come down and shop. We are waiting on charity status, and once we've got that, we'd like to get access to grants and sponsors. So any donations are greatly received, big or small, we will take them. But just come down and support us, come and see what we do, come and meet our young people and see them working in their local community. But most of all, have a lovely, Merry Christmas. Thank you, everyone.